If you ever wondered if your website is holding your business back, so with WordPress, every plugin, every crash, every slow load time actually costs you money and potential client. So you deserve better. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to ditch WordPress for good and build an SEO optimized, super fast website using AI tools, current AI tools like V0. Okay, we're talking about V0, Claude, Cursor, and it's time to stop letting WordPress failure hurt your business. Hey, Samuel. And if you're watching this, I bet you're fed up with WordPress as I was. Okay, so I'm a agency owner. Okay, I have been in the agency workforce for the last 10 years and so, and in the digital marketing space. So I've watched so many business struggle because of website problem, slow load speed, constant crashes, and plugin that never seems to work right. So these issues aren't just frustrating, they're actually costing you client and hurting your SEO. But here's the thing, with AI tools like V0, Claude, and Cursor, you can actually ditch WordPress entirely, right? Sometimes there's even cache issue, make some changes, but changes doesn't make straight away. So imagine having a website that's easy to build, lightning fast, and exclusive for your SEO, for your search engine ranking, all without knowing how to code. Okay, sounds good? Stick around, I'll show you exactly how to do it. So I'm opening up this client's website that really needs to revamp because it's built in 2021, where everything looks very weird and clunky. Okay, so something is wrong already. There's errors happening everywhere. The contact us page is spoiled. Okay, and yeah, so they are due for revamp. So what we do is actually to make a revamp, we actually do a screenshot of this website. Okay, so I will go to this insurance, and then I'll use my tool that actually takes screenshot. Okay, press on get screenshot in progress. Okay, so while this is added, okay, and download this. Okay, so next, while at it, we also would like to let's turn this off. Okay, so we like to always look at good examples, right? Good design example. So here, right, we have this sort of resources that, okay, so I actually take a look and like this particular one. So these are all the resources of the design that you can actually have. We have different landing pages and so on and so forth. So let's say I really like, maybe, let's see, I really like this. Okay, so 5 halfway. Wow, okay. Wow, this is a long one. 5 halfway, but because this is actually very image driven, I don't choose this. I want it to be driven by, lines. And of course, if you would do this, you can actually follow. We'll create another video with different flow, but we talk about using, Midjourney or Leonardo.ai to actually create the visual. Okay, so before you even design. So let's say, for example, I like this, right? The way this color looks and this. Okay, so I'll just open this up. Okay, really, the color is very nice and things like that. So I copy this. Let's just get it. Screenshot again. Okay, I save this screenshot in progress. So what a long page this is. Gosh, I'm not sure whether it will accept. Okay, so let's say for example, I show them, let's say, my website. Okay, I feel that my website is good that the website SG is dated. I want to revamp it. Here I have attached. So I purposely mentioned that the website is called Get Insurance SG so that they know the difference between these two different. Okay, this is too big. So image resizer. Okay, I was opening this image resizer up. Okay, compress image. Okay, let's compress it. Compress image. Compressing. So it's 98 80 foot. So that means I should be able to drop this in. Oh, it says that it's too long. Yeah, it's too long. Okay, let's say I want only this portion. I just want to sample this portion. The rest is the same except for the footer. Okay, so we drop this area and save again. Okay, this added inside attach of the design I like. Is follow closely partners and etc. Okay, so this is what we do, and press on. Next up, as it's designing, like because I'm talking about creating things very quickly and fast. Okay, so what I like to do is to pick a template. If you want to go with blank, it's also fine. So sometimes I go with the Next.js template, or so on and so forth. Okay, so we will name this. Okay, so we'll go with Next.js, and then we'll name this Get Insurance SG. So yeah, once we created this, there's a lot of steps that we skip ahead because the website previously we built halfway. We really built halfway, but the sound doesn't get recorded when I. Okay, so this. Okay, you know what? So I paste another screenshot. I can show you the screenshot over here. Paste another screenshot that I really like. Okay, so it's with this design, this color, this branding. I think this color branding is fine. Okay, let's see. So this is the answer that it actually gave me. Okay, so the color is lighter and things like that. Okay, so what we do is that we add to code base. Okay, you can press on this and add to code base. And this is where for most videos, I actually show how you actually can SSH to your cursor, to your VS Code. Right now, we are using cursor because this is the AI coding. We don't need to even know how to code to actually use this. We copy my cursor URL, open this cursor, and this means that it's actually opening the same files as before, right? We copy this in, press enter, press config. So if you do not know how to actually get to this stage, you probably need to just go and try and error, do your best, watch other video, watch documentation. In this video, we will not be covering a lot of those very rudimentary, like my take is that I will be providing you insight as a agency owner, like what we should be aware of, what should be take care. We will not be teaching you how to set up a replet, how to set up download and install a cursor. Okay, so when I see open and close repository, we open workspace. and you will be actually opening this. Okay, so and to save time, we actually run a range of things already. Okay, let's go through what we actually done. Okay, so we actually copied that code base and already pasted it in. So I'll just show you how it looks like. No, okay, not this one. No, not this. So to save time, especially now it's very late, it's actually midnight the moment I was recording this. That's very tired. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so we have already done this step whereby we follow along, we copy the code base, add the code base, press yes, install all the dependency which is required. Okay, so for now I would want to overwrite because the page has already created added. Okay, so once this is done, we open Command Shift I. Okay, once again, we actually run through. Let me just go through what we did. Okay, so once we add the code base in, we just let the cursor and AI know that, okay, so I just to explain this portion a little bit, okay, because it's even though we don't really need to read code, we need to know where each of this thing is. So look at all those with the dots, those are, you can actually ignore because those are invisible actually. Okay, so what you'll be concerned about is the public and the SRC. Under SRC, you will see there's two main things. So once you actually install this component, this new feature will appear, right? The component, okay? And then the one that I've added was actually this page over here. Okay, you can see that this is the same code base. Okay, so really all the tools that will appear will actually the home page will be this, and if there's any folders, it will be the About Us page. So I taken the liberty to actually create the About Us page as well. There you can see when I press on run, this is running dev. And then click on New tab. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So I took the liberty to also create the About Us page. Okay, so I can show you now how we create the About Us page. So let's say, for example, now, okay, so I was typing halfway, please optimize my website so that it ranks better on Google. Okay, I also want you to create contact page. Okay, so now you click on the contact. That's not it. There should be nothing. There's no page right now. Okay, so we create a contact us page. Yeah. Okay. So you will see that they will actually create a folder here. Hopefully, as they're still writing the code. Okay, so you can see that a new folder is being created, and then the code is being entered in. So they also listen to me and then start adding code, start adding sitemap. So a good practice is to always press save all, and then see whether you want it to see what is happening. Partly the SEO I made it to show. Okay, now I accept it. So why is there a save all and accept it? Like you can save all, and then if it's causing error like this, and then you think it's too unworthy to make changes to it, then you can just reject, and then it returns everything. So right now what I did is I copy paste the error from, without even understanding the error of the code, I just paste it back. So this to bring out this composer in cursor is either Control-Shift-I or Command-Shift-I on the Mac, Control-Shift-I on the computers. Okay, blah, 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 don't care. As long as it works, okay. Yeah, so the website is very speedy, very fast, right? This, I also took the liberty to actually add this image in. So this image is added by copying from the old website. I copy from the old website, I put it in public here, then I just tell it, oh, this is the picture. This helped me put it there. Okay, so set off. There may be some problem here. So usually, if there's any rate, it's best to fix it, because if it is not fixed, when you're trying to build it, you will face into errors. You're done. Or you can actually do this npm run view. And this is where, if you make any error here, run dev is less strict, right? Yeah, less strict. Zero to compile, copy this, and then paste it. Now this issue. Okay, so just now we created the contact us page. I see, okay, so this is the error right now. Sometimes you need to stop the server and run it again. Again, if you are facing errors, you just copy. Okay, what is this? Okay, yeah, see, it's done. Contact is done. Go back. Ready. And that's all. Yeah, it should be fine. Once it's ready, you can always go to GitHub, right? Make the stage MVP2. Okay, stage and commit. So this Git, I already created the GitHub, and then it's already linked to GitHub. So I push. So let's skip ahead. Okay, so what we did is that we make same thing. We actually open a new project, and then for the same code, I import it in. So let's see. We actually commit the stage MVP right now. So it should be started and built. Okay, cool. Yeah, so make a few changes here and there. Now we are actually launching the MVP2 straight on Vercel, means that it's a link here. Okay, so get issued sg.vercel.app. So I will run this until it's, I'll keep it here until it's ready to be launched on the main domain itself. Get issued as sg.com. So for now, I just want to launch it on Vercel. If you want to see it now, you can actually code and you can get to see have actually built. Okay. So usually, if it's able to pass the errors, right, it should be fine. Okay, so let's try again. So about us page is done. Okay, and then just like how you see, I was just typing, just write contact us page, and contact us page is done as well. Okay, so if you need to make any changes to this, just tell the AI to do it. For the contact form, I'm used to using this service called Reset. Okay, Reset. I shouldn't open up the API key. Okay, so let's go through the documentation. Press documentation. So what you can do is that you can copy this documentation and then okay. So usually I like once some issue is being cleared up, I like to reset. So every time you want to store it, I like to always show it the code base. Code base means it's everything. So if you want to go to individual files, you can, but I like to just show it. Not very efficient, but don't care. Just because we don't know how to read, right? We just want it to work. Okay, so we will usually add a document. So if this is file, this is folder, this is the code, this is the website to reference, and this is the document tree. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to add docs. I think we already have it already. Okay, so you see, we already add the document, or else it's going to be just like this. Press on enter and name it resend. So it's become a resend document. So let's go with resend document. So what we did here is that we tell them, okay, yes, look at the whole code base, look at the documentation here. You see, this is how you get started. Okay. Please make the concept form working. So usually this is the part that I cannot show because this is a live. We will use a live API, reset API, to send out emails. Okay, so this make the contact form working and send email to using then please share it and video and refuse local to start the reset API. Okay, so this will be able to make our contact form school working. Okay, so it tells me to. So just sometimes you just have to read a little bit to follow what it wants to do. It wants you to install this required dependency. Just do it. See, it takes a while. Okay, it's installed. Usually, I'll wait for it to fully complete first and press save. Usually, I like to see whether do I crash anything else. Just reset this server, run a dev server. If it's running smoothly, I'll just accept all the changes. Okay, so running smoothly. It's not right for me. Okay, then again. Okay. Again, as all not your fault. That's this error. Okay. So let's just env. Okay, so send to me. Business. So this is the last time you'll see that I click on here. As I I will want to actually show the API key here. People can actually use our credit and just buying and just use the credit instead. Okay, save. Okay, so it means that this contact form is ready once you put in the you send code and then you send the email to me. Okay, so we see that actually the code is already launched. We just need to do the same thing again. Fix contact error number and stitch this. And we don't forget the push. So if everything is fine, it should be able to deploy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so this is a flow that we actually do and to make sure that things run fast. You see, you can see that when I press on each button, it just loads straight away, right? So it means that unlike your WordPress website that needs to reload, our website actually don't need to reload. It is built on the same technology that the Netflix use, right? You see Netflix, how interactive their website is when you're using the app, how interactive it is. The reason is because they use things like Next.js, the things that we are using right now. Okay. That's why it's making it snappy and cool. Okay. So and fast website is actually very cool and very good. So it will be able to see fast ranking, high ranking on Google. Okay, and we spend much less time to play with plugins and try to get the plugins to work exactly we want. I have done project whereby we have to get it done for our client, and then it takes a long while, right? So have you faced any of this WordPress nightmare before? So I would like to see it in your comment. I'd love to hear your story and see. And also, after I teach you how to use these AI tools, how are you able to use it in your day-to-day? Okay, so if you are ready to ditch WordPress, actually check out the link below. Actually, you find everything that you need to get started with by me telling you what the visual link, the Claude, the Claude cursor. All these tools will have also their free trials as well, so it makes our transition easy. Yeah, I've been paying for all the things as well. Elementor, WP Dev, SiteGround. In fact, we have 4 different hostings on SiteGround because we build many websites for our clients. We need a lot of hosting, but so if you think that by moving to Vercel, by moving to Netify, so all this is much cheaper, even if you subscribe to Visual, also the Replit, I don't think it's going to be that expensive compared to the WordPress build. WordPress $3 to $6 per month hosting fee, right? So, and if you want step-by-step guide to transitioning from your current site to this AI tool, we put together a detailed list below so that you can download. Just click on the link below, drop your email, and I'll send it right to you. So, along with exclusive tips and tutorials that will help you grow and every other of our videos sources as well. Okay, so yep. Thank you all, and I'll see you again.